In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy meme coins on Robinhood chain. So the first thing I have to point out is that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Trading meme coins carries extreme financial risk, so always do your own research before investing into anything. Now that we got this out of the way, let's get started with this video. So how to actually buy meme coins on the new Robinhood chain. There's going to be a bunch of different platforms you can use to actually do this. I'm going to show you some of them in this video, but of course there's going to be other ones as well, which you can of course use if you want to, okay? Now, the first one I'm going to show you here is called Axiom. Axiom has been my favorite platform for quite a while now, and since they've been one of the biggest players for the Solana and BNB and Ethereum trading meme coins, they now have Robinhood chain as well, okay? They just added this, and yeah, of course, I'm going to show you this one as the first one. Now, I have left a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link and my code, you're gonna get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So again, check it out down below if you are interested. Now, on Axiom, to actually buy meme coins, the very first thing you're gonna have to do is, whenever you sign into the platform, you can go to the top over here and make sure you are on the Robinhood chain. So by default, you may be on any other one of these. Just click on Robinhood over here, and then you're going to have to connect your wallet. So you can do this to the top right over here. As you can see, I have connected my wallet already, and I do have some Ethereum on here ready. So you can just basically connect your wallet, click on this deposit button over here, and you'll be able to deposit Ethereum or Robinhood ETH, which of course is used for trading meme coins on Robinhood chain, and you'll be able to basically deposit this to your address, or of course use the wallet if you have anything on here as well. Now you can also buy directly over here. As you can see, you can go ahead and basically type in how much you want to buy. There's minimums and maximums as well, but of course you can go and get started that way as well, okay? Again, as I told you, this carries risk, so do it at your own risk. Now on here, to actually go and buy meme coins, you have a few options. If you go to this Discover tab, top left, you can see over here there's going to be kind of all the trending meme coins on the Robinhood chain. You can just go and click on any one you want. I'm not affiliated with any of these coins. I'm just going to click on a random one over here just to kind of show you how this is done. So you can click on any of these, and you can see over here on the right, you have the buy and sell buttons. You want to select the type of order you want to do, and then you have the amount, and you can then just go ahead and buy or sell. And that's as simple as it is to actually purchase meme coins on the Robinhood chain here on Axiom. Now you do also have other ways. So here in the Discover tab, you have the quick buy buttons, which you can of course set up here. So I could set quick buy, for example, to 1 or 0.1 ETH, and I'd be able to quickly buy. So if you are more advanced, you can use this method. And then you could also go to the Pulse tab up top, which is kind of popular as well. Make sure you are on the Robinhood chain because there's 4 of them, as you can see. So switch to Robinhood, and here you can see new pairs. There's the coins which basically are just getting created. There's of course the final stretch, so these are the coins before they get migrated, and then you have the migrated coins as well. So you can just find them. They have filters, stuff like that. It's quite convenient, and you can just click on any of these coins. Again, I'm going to click on a random one, and as you can see, same thing, you can go and buy or sell that specific coin over here, and that's one way to buy meme coins. But then of course there's also other platforms as well. So we have things like Uniswap, where they've just added the Robinhood chain as well. So if I go on here, as you can see, it's going to be Uniswap. I'm just going to go to, for example, here, I'm going to select a token, and I'm going to go to the top right where it says all networks, and I'm going to switch over to the new one, which is of course our Robinhood chain. So I'm going to click on that, and then there we go. It's going to show you all the tokens you can then get, swap, buy, etc. Okay, so that's essentially one way to do it as well. Now you could also go to something like OpenSea. They also allow this. You can go to the top left here, hover over it, click on the tokens tab, and you'll be able to see we have the Robinhood chain under chains here. You can filter by it, and then you have all the different meme coins over here. So again, you can just pick whichever one you want after doing your research. I'm just going to click on a random one here, and it's going to prompt you to connect your wallet. You can click on connect wallet over here, and what that's going to do here is going to basically connect the wallet which you select. It could be MetaMask or anything similar, and then you'll be able to just kind of start trading your coins. Okay, so if I click on over here, I'm going to connect my MetaMask. As you can see, it's going to start loading it, and I'm going to just sign into my wallet very quickly over here. There we go. I'm going to connect my account. It's now connected, and if I did have something up here, of course, you're going to have to to have some Ethereum on here to be able to purchase this, you'll be able to go ahead and buy and sell. So let me actually quickly create my account over here. There we go. And it's going to, of course, ask you for some signatures. Make sure you do read the terms of service and privacy policy before you actually proceed here. And there we go. You'll be able to select how much you want to purchase of a specific meme coin, and you can go ahead and buy and sell up here as well, okay? So it's completely up to you whichever one you use. There's other ones as well, like GMGN and other platforms. I just wanted to quickly show you how you can get started. And again, if you want to use Axiom, there's a link down below. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.